Do you have POS?
Okay, which kind of question be POS again? Yeah, na bank.
I'm not on cash.
Driver, you get POS?
No.
You no get. Okay, you go find person borrow money.
I'll pay.
Okay, you go pay for them. I go hold you. Now you go hold. Okay, enter inside.
Bless you.
You go.
Madam, I want to stay there.
My pikin, sit down here.
I want to stay close to the window. I need breeze.
Okay, enter inside now.
Madam, Oga.
Yes, sir.
As an investor, it's like take close to window
Oh
because
yeah,
of breeze.
come.
Okay,
Please
but you
shift.
first you come. Oh.
I don't care. I need breeze for the mind.
Madam, small conda move they come out.
This breeze now, what would they use for the mindset? You know they know. You say now buy this thing.
We go soon come out. Remain 2 chance.
Try and be 2 chance remain. Eh?
We go soon go. Now calm down.
If not be say na person not pay for me, I would have come down. I don't like this.
We go soon go. Muna wait.
Which kind of thing be this one now?
My pikin, abeg, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Abeg, I wan learn how to dey book game online. I don tire to dey go shop. You know say my leg no good. I don tire to dey go shop, go dey book. And anytime when I go, you get as they look me, old mama now.
Mommy, that one no be problem now. Now one expert fee help you for that one. Now the best sporting platform right now will be say if you use the promo code FUNNYBET, you go to get bonus. As I say you dey play game there, some kind small bonus there where you go win. Then get the no risk offer. That no risk offer now, anything where you place, if you lose, they will give you back. And they give 300% bonus now on anything where you deposit.
1xbet?
Yes, now. So no be problem. Now 1xbet will help you. Just go now, register. Sharp.
If you help your mother do them, abeg.
Make I do it. Make I help you do them. Because I carry go water, I go see teach you how to swim, madam. Madam, allow me now. I'm thinking of there's some investment I'm planning. Please allow me. I'm focusing on something.
You talk to your mama mate.
Which one be mama mate again? When I don't come, small thing, mama mate. Which kind thing be the all this one? Which kind thing be this? There's an investment I'm thinking about. Please allow me focus, please.
Hello, handsome. Please don't be offended. Can you help me with the 1xbet stuff?
Oh, no problem. That's things we do.
But now you know they beg, make you help me do this thing, no green.
I beg you.
Okay.
I beg. I beg. Do not take that phone now with this girl. Just give me now. I beg. Excuse me, let me pass and go and chase them, please.
My pikin, I no fit. I been tell you now, sir, I get arthritis. Say my leg they worry me. I tell you till I reach my destination, I no go feel calm down.
Driver, move they go.
Go where? They just stole the phone. They stole the phone. Which phone? They don't thief them.
Phone with that girl give you.
Yes,
They don't thief them.
oh, these guys
Those guys.
I'm sorry, please, are you done?
Yes, almost.
Okay.
Yeah.
Those guys.
Make she come on, make I pass now.
This woman no fit come out because of she get issue for leg. She need to come down till she reach her destination.
Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Mumu man! Sorry, but you hope another defeat day.